Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, cooking oil is a critical ingredient in our food. In every culture and country, people add some type of cooking oil to add nutrients, flavor and taste to the food. We spend a lot of money in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but we buy the cheapest cooking oil and we make every dish with that cooking oil. Cooking oil is very healthy if you choose a right one, but if you choose a bad cooking oil, it's going to ruin one's health. Okay, let's look at the worst cooking oils and why we should avoid them for good. Number 1, vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is made from plant and plant products, and at first look it sounds like a good choice. But that's not true. They are made up of 90% of soybean oil. Soybean oil is one of the cheapest oils and it has high omega-6 which can cause inflammation, and that is responsible for various diseases like heart diseases, arthritis, sciatica, diabetes and many more. Remember, omega-6 is inflammatory, which is not good for health, but omega-3 is very good for health. A good oil should have high omega-3 and low omega-6, but vegetable oil has high omega-6 which is bad. That's why it's not good to take. Also, the vegetable oils are highly processed and they lose all the nutrients and flavor. So it is better to avoid the vegetable oil if you can afford to something which is really better and healthy. Number 2, sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E, which makes you think that this is the healthy oil. But most of the times, the sunflower oil we get in the market is highly processed and refined and lacks any nutrients. Secondly, they have the same problem of high omega-6, which can cause inflammation and diseases like heart disease, arthritis, diabetes and many more. Number 3, canola oil. Canola oil is itself really good because it has more omega-3 which is good, but the way it is extracted makes it really useless. During the extraction, they are processed with high heat which breaks down the oil and releases toxins and free radicals. But if you can find a really good brand of canola oil in the market, then it's not really worst. The problem is 90% of the canola oils we find in the market are processed under high heat. Number 4 and 5, grapeseed oil and corn oil. Some people believe that grapeseed oil is really a good cooking oil, but that's not true. Grapeseed oil suffers from the same problem of high omega-6 versus omega-3. Same goes with the corn oil, as corn oil also has high omega-6. Also, with the corn oil there is another problem. Mostly we get the genetically modified versions of corn oil. So you better avoid these: vegetable oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, grapeseed oil and corn oil. Okay, now let's come to the best cooking oils. Before I talk about the best cooking oils, I need to talk about one technical term, that is the smoke point. Smoke point is actually the temperature at which the oil starts burning and starts emitting toxins and visible smoke. You might have observed this yourself at different times. When you start heating the oil and keep going, at some point you see that the oil starts giving away a lot of smoke. That means that oil has reached a smoke point. So if an oil has a low smoke point, we should not use it for deep frying. Okay, let's come back to our topic of the best cooking oils to use. One is ghee, also called clarified butter. Ghee has been traditionally used in Indian cooking for several centuries. It is basically the clarified butter with the milk solids removed. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin D and K2. It has properties that can protect you from cancers and several diseases. Because it contains no milk solids, it is even tolerated by the lactose sensitive people. Also, ghee has high smoke points of 400 to 500 degree Fahrenheit, which makes it ideal for deep frying too. People have myth consuming ghee makes them fat. No, consuming ghee doesn't make you fat because ghee has good cholesterols or good fat which is required by your body, and this is not stored in your body. But most of the times we eat sweets made of ghee that makes you fat, but not ghee itself. But the problem with ghee is it is very difficult to find the pure ghee in the market, as most of the times the ghee you get is adulterated. Number 2, coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best and easily available cooking oils. It has balanced nutrients and rich in omega-3, which is good. Organic refined coconut oil has highest smoke points of 450 to 500, which makes it ideal for high temperature cooking. For example, making French fries, potato chips, onion rings, and chicken fry. Number 3, olive oil. Olive oil is heart healthy and rich in nutrients and antioxidants. It has good anti-inflammatory properties. However, extra virgin olive oil has a low smoke point of around 200, which means it is not suitable for high temperature cooking. However, you can use the extra virgin olive oil for low temperature cooking like satay, salad dressing, pickles, low temperature baking, and so on. Number 4, avocado oil. Compared to all other oils, avocado oil has the highest smoke point of 500 and above. This makes it ideal for deep frying and any form of cooking. So it never releases toxins in any type of cooking. Also, it is rich in vitamin E and nutrients. Avocado oil, ghee, coconut oil, and olive oil are the 4 best cooking oils to use. There are other good cooking oils like sesame oil, peanut oil, and mustard oil. These come next in the rankings of good oil. So here is the quick summary. For high temperature cooking, use ghee, avocado oil, or coconut oil. For low temperatures cooking and baking, use extra virgin olive oil or virgin coconut oil. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.